This story is about the miser and his gold. Once upon a time, there lived a man in a small town. The man was a miser. He used to collect all his earnings and spent very little. He loved his gold more than anything else. So he decided and buried all his gold in a secret spot in his garden. Each day he would dig it up, count it, and then bury it again. One day, as per his daily ritual, the miser man was counting his gold. A thief saw everything. That same night, the thief snuck into the garden, dug up the gold, and took it away. The miser was devastated. He started crying aloud. Upon hearing his cries, the miser's neighbor inquired, "What happened? Why are you crying so loud?" The miser told the neighbor that his golden treasure has been stolen. "Why didn't you keep the gold inside the house? It would have been easier for you to access it when you have to buy something, and it would have been ever difficult for the thief to steal it." The neighbor asked, "Buy something? I never use my money to buy anything, and I was never going to spend the gold that I had saved." The neighbor nodded his head in disbelief and replied, "If that was the case, then probably you should have saved the stones instead. The gold was not worth saving anyway." The moral of the story is, this story teaches us that the true worth of wealth lies in how it's used to improve one's life or help others, rather than just being stored away. Wealth is meant to be used, not hoarded. Simply hoarding riches without benefiting from them brings no real value. Thank you.